It's time to announce the Drone Video of the Month winner for May. Here's how the contest works. Every single drone video uploaded to AirVuz.com from May 1st through May 31st was automatically entered into our Drone Video of the Week contests. During each weekly contest, 5 videos are selected and one is crowned the Drone Video of the Week and given a $250 prize. Then, each Drone Video of the Week winner moves on to the Drone Video of the Month contest. The team at AirVuz votes, and then one video is selected to win an additional $500. Let's take a quick look back at all of the Drone Video of the Week winners from May. The Irish Land Volume 2, Drone Photography Ireland. Lviv, stronghold and safety of Ukraine. Timoshenko Pavel. DJI Mini 3 Pro, Istanbul, Yukarı Keşfet. Lauterbrunnen Muren, Switzerland. Richard Beresford Harris. We've put the links to the full videos in the description below. And now, the one being named the Drone Video of the Month for May and winning the $500 prize is Lviv, stronghold and safety of Ukraine, Timoshenko Pavel. Ukrainian commercial videographer Pavel Timoshenko describes the city of Lviv as, quote, the historical heart of Ukraine, which fascinates with its hospitality and architectural monuments. He describes Lviv today as a refuge and support for thousands of people, noting that the city will always welcome you with love. Reminder that we're switching up things in June. We've partnered with drone technology company X Dynamics to give away a state-of-the-art Evolve 2 drone platform to the Drone Video of the Month winner. All drone videos uploaded to AirVuz.com in the month of June are eligible to win. We're excited to see what you've got. Good luck!